Hi, I'm Kaye DeSelms Dent with Dent Coulson Elder Law, here with an Elder Law Minute for you. These videos are intended to educate you about the elder care journey, which begins earlier in life than you might think. We hope that you find them useful, and if you have further questions, please call us at Dent Coulson Elder Law. Today I'm going to explain to you why you don't necessarily have to just spend down your assets to qualify for Medicaid assistance with your long-term care. There are many complicated Medicaid rules about how you can qualify financially for long-term care assistance. And one of the rules in Illinois is that a person who needs care in long-term care can have no more than $17,500 in what we call countable resources or non-exempt resources. And the spouse can have just under $140,000, and that's going to adjust every year. The spouse or the single person who needs care is stable at $17,500 limitation, but the amount that a spouse in the community can keep is again going to adjust every year for the next several years, but it's currently just a little under $140,000. But what people often miss is that these laws are designed to provide very detailed rules for a lot of different circumstances. So if you do have a spouse at home, the value of the house doesn't count. The spouse can have a car that doesn't count. You can have prepaid funerals as long as they are Medicaid compliant. They have to be done a certain way. If you have a disabled child, you may be able to transfer to a special trust for that child. It has to be done a particular way or directly to that child. There are a lot of different, I'll call them for lack of a better word, loopholes. And it's very important to understand this before you just start spending down your funds. In fact, what I tell people is don't even apply for Medicaid until you know that you're eligible or you've got a plan for becoming eligible. And part of what we do at Dent Coulson Elder Law is help people develop a plan for spending down their assets in a way that is most beneficial to them. Because just simply spending the money until it's gone is not what's most beneficial to most people. It's most beneficial to the state and to the facilities, which are doing, they're there to provide care and they deserve to be compensated for what they're doing. But at the same time, most people, especially if you've got a spouse at home or still have children that you want to benefit, don't just want to see their money go away. Call us today at Dent Coulson Elder Law. We'd love to help you develop a plan for protecting your assets and developing a spend down plan that is most beneficial to you. Thank you for listening.